that space, solve na problem when I get for internet. Now come and say, I be your follower, a follower for your boy. I know my people that follow me. Real people that love me, they not reach 10. And they talk today. The real genuine people who genuinely love me, they not reach 10. These are the people that subscribe to my badge.
Hello my amazing people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends of where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another matter come again. Now who we wan watch today, my amazing people? We wan watch from Victor Umenwan, Noga Frank Umenwan. No be small thing o, where if I come expose one pastor, my people. I go like to leave una make una watch this very video. My amazing people, please don't forget to like and share this video, and also drop your opinion. Tell us what you think about this very video. My amazing people, before you go, please help me to drop that your amazing subscriber for me to support me, and also like my video to support this video. God bless you, stay blessed, and see you all on our next video. Bye bye.
Because the one that they call me for outside, they say, you never subscribe to my badge. You go to come in my Facebook page get problem. A problem of young boy. I get badge for all my platform. When I don't subscribe, I'll get 20-something thousand followers. I don't get 5 people who subscribe to my badge. But if you not get problem, 50 people go get problem, and go run come. Make I happen and solve a problem with your life. Bah, j'ai un problem. Now the truth. That see, if you even though you did Nigeria, you have made the subscribe. On the tell me I can stop. I'm gonna tell you why the you go on here depression. Why I'm your why who are assume. I need to let this course on these useless viewers. They don't help you, but they're going to do for help for hand. If you know I watch my video, sit down with your ass. I not invite you. Nonsensical buhehe. Not be like all of them gather, they want to hear person's story. Do you know some of this information what they bring come on for social media? Will they spend money put? You say that free? Some of the information they see, people they broadcast for media, it cost money. They go tell you how this person was born, all he has done in secondary school, in primary school, the KG way go, they go die. Prisoner go to talk and the person go to peace for his house. How this boy to know my story? Now in money they talk. Una go they say, oh thank God, God don't punish her, God don't elevate her, God don't do this one. You don't know how the people take get information. Ordinary to give the people love and life. Ordinary love and life. Where not they remove data. As some people can't useless rich. Both for TikTok and Facebook, just to use your phone, they tap. Just they tap your phone. Just they tap your phone for love and life. You go they hard them. Why are you now watching the person? Hypocrisy. Stupid people. You know when they notice you, why you can't they watch as well? Just to tap love and like for person video. Person when you can't get time, click on the video. Just to tap love and like, you go top problem. Joy or more bear off with go at all. Somebody now give me stuff 1,000 so. No one way I pay love and like you know one in cake. Many of them they go get stuff for phone to give you stuff. It go be their problem. You know, I have a problem. You know, I be your fans. I be your this one. I never want to see my platform. Therefore, all those useless people that were there for different countries, I don't want to mention their name. They will say, Amazon, out here, Bonoko, if I buy la, I've been one as soon, Wapon, a page where I have a problem, what at your Muslim, what knows one of you, knows what is Bua, you very. They not go like me. Now, when they get problem for their page, they'll come and say, almost what they exist. They'll go, Umenwa, you are lily, a page man, yeah, want share video, if you even want to reduce or reduce the view, reduce of young boy. Reduce it or young boy. Shishi, you don't see with your hand. Iya ikibaba, iya imwego, iya mugi, iya paid the fleece bus tickets. Uber, bra car, no bear buya no beka yan he. No, na the truth. Where Swiss don't agree to Papa, man you be. Nobody offend me. Sometimes you need to tell these people the truth about their stupidity. You understand? If I sound offending to people, I don't care. Seriously. Because enough of all this bullshit. You will see people, you will get 100 viewers, 100,000 viewers. How many people will share your video? Why you go to watch when you don't want to share? No one assume when they roll. Because people, if you don't give them slap, not the hear word. In your death, all of them deaf, they don't hear word. You will watch my video, you don't share my video. What you gonna do? They watch and Umenwan, I think girl like you. Your video don't make sense. You dey tell truth, you are man of the truth. You need to say you not did this. Some of your swore where they give. They'll say you are this. You are the very dark man of benin that space. We should like your video. You dey always stand by the truth. Share video man okbe wa kono sun. Share video well. You be benin very dark man. You be benin that space very dark man. You know the talent money. You know the collect brag. You dey talk and the way the thing be. A brag. You know they collect money. You pay our strength in you, man. Okay, you collect a brag. You know that one. Share the video. You know they share. Make other people hear greedy human being. They find. You know they collect brag. Who are so nobody will click for the video. To even click. Now the biggest problem of our people, they go outside the watch. Without clicking on your video, they will put earpiece, they will watch. They don't want to give you that minute of views. You know they share, you know they click, but you could listen. Well, you could use Bluetooth to listen. Bluetooth now the truth. Iya who your bonoma, the thing where they will never help you, they need your help. Una know. Laugh. And the truth too. So my people, I just want to start to talk to the viewers and the comment what they call themselves. I can't talk about give me love and life. It's not all be shit for how long? For how long you will tell your people when they say they love you. Once you come on live video, you know what to do. If I enter your platform, me, Baba will smile. Ask. Go on my page, go through my page. If you see any video where I share, those videos, live video producer, content creator, they know they talk and say share. Anything make me click into your video, I enjoy your progress, I share your video. Straight down. I don't waste time. I must not be your fans. I don't care to be your fans. I share your video because there are things that I enjoy in your video that I want my also followers, my friends to also enjoy. And that's the video where I share your video on my page. So my friend that goes to my page, they want to enjoy your video too. That's the reason of sharing this video. Nothing much. I was wrong. You feel say you go shut your data or you go remove your phone from your account. Oswald, Muku, go to school. I will wait. Correct yourself. I can't fix. I was be waiting for you. I was not see you. I was be going. Everything was Oswald. But when you're school now, ordinary to share video, to thumbs up for video, give love and like on can shout in there, live video content creator they go shout. You don't get what you want to remove for your data. And not remove you wearing. You don't get what you want to remove. Greedy set of people, evil people. It's just the way it is. If you like, share. If you like, not share. If you don't want to share, just use your 2 legs. I will not kill you. I don't force you. I don't beg you. If you don't want to share my video, get out of my platform. My brother will go. having monetary split, foundational problem. Agwagwa. I not beg you to watch my video, not be false. Yeah, people. And when you watch the video, they are different from people. You put out spiritual delay, monetary split. Really people that watch people, when Facebook will give you money, they're different. Once they come here, go share. I decide to sit down, go through my shares. People that normally share my video. Yeah, yeah. Who know if you do way? I will wait. Me myself, I go. Me when they do the broadcast, I go sit down. I go to share myself. Me no broadcast. I will also sit down. They share myself. Me no money. I believe in the you. I say. He total is going to share with me. 27 share. Me no broadcast. Mona 2.something K don't watch this video here. They do so. Video what like 2.7K don't watch them for Facebook. As I they talk to 2.7K watching. They don't know say Facebook don't do on that system to see people that are watching. You feel get 600, 200, 190 people they watch you. But the major people we had for corner they watch all of them are big counts. If you go check, you go see nothing like 2.something, almost 3K people that are watching this broadcast. We are do so. Here, people who don't share is 27. Almost. Imagine 3K people that are watching this broadcast. Here, 2,600K is 27 is watching. 2,600K is watching. Now only 27 people don't share. I bet 2,000 okay. Yeah, we have here. Monitoring spirits. Yeah, you know, these are the people that will have problem. They will not come and be calling you. About when they smell, I'll be your fans, and they watch you. The last video you do yesterday, they watch you, they don't share. If you try yourself, call me, you get one. If I ask you question, you don't answer now, I'll swap for you. Any of you now when they watch me, you know they share my video, you don't subscribe to nobody, and you need help. Don't try it. I used to see. If you know me, I curse you polite, me, I not disgrace you. Yeah? If you provoke me, I go agree, I not disgrace you. I used to beg you, don't call my number. Don't be your late, so that waiting for beneath cyberspace. If you know, say you they watch my video, you get problem. Not try yourself, call my line, no. Just off the sort of go. Tap on. How can I monetize? Type on go. It go. Go watch on. Go YouTube. Go tap on. You go see on YouTube. How can I solve my payout account problem? Go YouTube. Go. Not call my number. Then you go because we are one bomb. That's what that's. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all with better style. The real people who get sense, who really ready to watch and listen to the atrocity of Mr. Christ Egbon, the in-law of Enogewi one of Dutchland, the controversial Enogewi one of Dutchland. I told you guys I'm going to be exposing this man for the whole world to know. So, you see me gonna let people get problem. We need to only pray. Okay. We're going to see the picture where did my background today. The picture where did my background for TikTok. My TikTok picture is different from my Facebook picture. The picture where did my background today for TikTok. That is Pastor Chris Egbon. Pastor Egbon and the first wife, Joy. Pastor Joy Egbon. Now, for the Facebook, the first picture up there is Pastor Chris Ewazigbe, and the first wife, Pastor Joe Ewazigbe. The second picture down that put on black suit is Pastor Umenwa Ewazigbe, who is the younger sister of Nollywood of Deutschland, the controversial investor Nollywood of Deutschland. Now, elder sister be that one. The last traditional marriage picture you see downstairs is still the same Pastor Chris Ewazigbe and Pastor Joe Ewazigbe. I greet you all with better style. The reason why I bring that traditional picture out is for you to know that this is not just locality marriage according to Iyore. This is a real marriage, traditional marriage. Guys, let's go there. We are going to unveil a lot of things about Pastor Chris Ewazigbe and Pastor Mrs. Joe Ewazigbe, and the same time Pastor Umenwa Ewazigbe, two wives. Ladies and gentlemen, sit down. Carry your popcorn, carry cold beer or cold water, make with the chew and make sure you share this video. I greet you all with better style. Please don't play. Tag Nollywood of Deutschland, investor Nollywood of Deutschland, and also tag Princess Priceless Aura, Nollywood wife. When I tag them for this broadcast, may they sit down, may they listen. It's very, very important. For TikTok, I greet you now with better style. What iyore uwagivia adodan yo. Enogino davan nyanga in social media. Social media reve dogo mafo. Social media reve dogo mafo. Social media reve dogo mafo. Egbe wo me uji. Yoruba ga we biga we don't know. Igbo ga we biga we don't know even here. Egbe wo me uji. Don't play. Hey, are you boy yo? Now, my people. Pastor Chris Ewazigbe, who lives in Uwelu, Eweka Street, opposite Eweka Street at Uwelu Quarter, Benin City, Edo State. For those of you who know Uwelu, you now go know the church. We are very massive church in Uwelu. The late Uwelu chairman, Noziba, Mr. Noziba, the Uwelu former chairman. Now they run that land for Pastor Chris Ewazigbe, aka the Huhu, just like that. When I say Le Huhu, when I say just like that, now 3 times. The guy's name now, Le Huhu, just like that. Le Huhu, just like that. Le Huhu, just like that. And that same church was once called Canopy Church. When I invited no, make you sit down, make it a listing because wow, I want to talk. And whatever I'm going to say is not bad, not be saga. Despite Awi is a stupid human being. Now maybe paracetamol where they give, I know the kind of drugs where they give you, where they cure and where they cure increase. Because it's stupidity too much, especially when it involves children. Now, Pastor Chris Ewazigbe is a bike rider in Uwelu. Pastor Chris Ewazigbe, when I see my background, so is a bike rider in Uwelu. Back. Now the job we do with that one. Me we sit down here to deal with the talk to now. I was once a bike rider in Ekenwan campus. Ekenwan campus. Ubawa. You feel me so? Me we sit down here today. Ekenwan campus and Ekenwan campus. I was once a bike rider in Ekenwan campus. I was once a bike rider in Ubawa campus. You understand? I not be say back na bad thing. The same bike rider now dey here as a motivational speaker today. A seconds can change a man. Nothing bad in riding bike. Any which way now way up, but I not be up why. Anyway, take it and clear so make get your woo For maybe say the business now legit. Obi understand the man tell you it's said warrior. Yeah. Baba, when I sit down, who hear what say, all of us now street guy, all of us now guy, man. This boy where you see for upstairs, Christ, now back rather. The woman you see behind Christ, which is Joy Egbon, is a prophetess. Ladies and gentlemen, sit down. Make you learn, make you hear story. Me, I get story to nako, make you hear me, yo, bang, bang. Me, I get story to nako, make you hear me, yo, sis. Everything, don't play. Joy, Pastor Joy, was a prophetess. It's a seer. This woman you see here is a seer. This woman now seer. Without this woman, there was nothing like Lehuhu. This guy here was a backrider who normally carried this woman. Oh, Baba, with this man, I want you. My people, the way me and they drive back for a Kenwa campus, Umenwa campus, Main Gates, Ugbo, GROA, Lazan, Iriri, Okoromi, Lazan, bypass, Ewa community. I dey use bike, they run all those levels that year. Upper, Okabe community, Idogbo, Tiri House, Jesus Christ, no man yo. You understand? We dey use bike. All those Univen babes there, when they squat for those areas, they'll carry you see, Baba fast, straight down. Some of them babes who they'll get control for hotel. You understand? Here my road. With the family so many and so many and so on and so forth. Now so with the runner. Inside there so now to get my wife. My first wife. We have been married for Congo. As a student. In the family so not be illiterate. I've never married illiterate. How my wives are how what to be treated women. As a sharp girl, me na back man, and they married graduates. Na grace. You understand now? Ele kuku ona mwedidi. When I go see this woman where they le kuku so Pastor Joe Ivazi. Normally she's older than Pastor Chris. Pastor Chris is just a small boy who gets engaged with an old woman who's a prophetess. This woman, Grace, covered Chris. They both hustle together, plans together. Chris knows how to read and write. Chris is educated, but unfortunately, no job. The father of a Christ, is a strong native daughter. They could not call Uwelo people when they sit down and they come here story. Me a get story to now make you hear your brother. Watota, I've well. You can't bet boo because story now you have finished about well. You can't know a demon. He married a kid, a club, so now because why I was not intent of going out. I get control for some of my lovely fans who love me so much, and they called me. You understand? I have to show up. So when I reach there, we just sit down, reason, get some hugs, do one or two things, At the end of the day, they have to come and drop me here. I don't get motor. They can't drop me from my house. Even motor be yakni. Yes. Now my scooter, now they drive. So due to time, I don't go. And we still drink 1 or 2 beer. They can say, but no go drop you, below you be. And I think go drop me. I don't do live video. I'm a big boy. I don't my teeth normally. You know everything that come live. Here with my fans, always kind of see. You don't be past that one. Don't be always fans want come out on live stream. You understand? So we should be the kind of person where they grow those things. Many fans will run from you. They go, young like want bless you because if they always show they go live camera, they go want run for you. So that's why they do my thing on the coded level as a guy, man. So that's what I said. This video don't go long. So guys, share this video. May you pick a big information from this video as a presenter. More than let all presenters are here. Pastor Chris Egbon who now sit my back so. Now back rider for Welu. He got an engagement with Joy. Joy fall in love with Pastor Chris. They started a date and Pastor Chris started last Joy. Old woman in the day. And Joy was a prophetess. Play, they start open church. This will be the open church. Pay they join house together. Back man not get money. Who spend the money with the rent canopy? Nah, Joy. See, una will be woman. You guys will never labor in vain. You guys will never labor in vain. You guys will never labor in vain. Whatever you sow, you will reap. Any labor when you labor, you will reap. This prophetess labor in vain. I will tell now why. Chris Egbon is a deadly criminal. You follow this woman up like Mugu. This woman come back, they come together, gather money together, they come buy land for late Noziba hand, the former Owelu youth chairman. From there, they used wood, they cover the land. They come rent canopy. They come put canopy for the land. They gather members of the church for that canopy. From there, we call them Canopy Church. Many of you now wait there for Owelu, Ogida, Ego, Usi. Una will hear of Canopy Church. Canopy Church. This man and this woman is the owner of Canopy Church. Let me flash you guys back those days. Moe Baba with this man. Afa, I go expose you. Don't play. Now me talking. I go expose you. Chris Egbon, I go expose you. You don't know what I take with your church. You know if you remember the bricklayer where you work for your church. You don't be big church now. You know if you know the way you build down, where you dig that foundation. They come on the other side. So, Chris Egbon, a no get in-law. They built that church. They call it Canopy Church. There was no building. There was no roofing. It was covered with canopy. Rain will fall. Everybody there inside canopy. They do. He has done for me what my father cannot do. He has done for me. Who was the prophetess, my people? My beloved people, who was the prophetess was this same woman. Chris Egbon na Dundee, JJC, Juventus, Jolly just come. Chris Egbon not they see na blind mugu. Blind or dead. As he do eyeball like frog with the press. Chris Egbon cannot see anything like vision. The person where they see vision is Pastor John Egbon. The person where they preach because he can speak English, he can read Bible, he is educated, is Pastor Chris Egbon. While the seer is Pastor Chris John, Pastor John Egbon, now the seer. Those days of Canopy Church. That's the reason why you see a lot of old women through the church. They don't come out to, I go bust your bobo. Oh, Frankie, you know that. And they pity this guy. Sometimes I go look and go pity him because he don't the cash out as street boy. the guy don't make money for that same level, that same FMT. That the format, this pastor format we use and get and clear normal level. You don't understand? And they don't normal street work. You understand? I don't know all those mamas, all those local champion women. That did that, and they don't know what in they play. People be gamma we see, we know this guy 2'4", 2'7". You understand? We know what in they play. See, we know level. Now guy man a street guy. Guy has to the horse normal level. We just use the pastor format, do the cash out normal level. You understand? So there are a lot of things about this guy. You don't want to talk. Hey, Baba, I'm not going to talk today. I will still keep on for tomorrow. One thing I want to know, Pastor Christian Backman, he married to Joy. Because he knows Joy, now prophetess. He and Joy, they're going to start Canopy Church. Now small, I go to give you the name of the church. All the names of the church, I go give you now. When I'm going to see the church now fake. It was not a church of God. It was never a church of God. Hello? Hello? Yes, now yes, Eweka Street. Moru Street. They were off Eweka. Allah of Italy, Lena, he had left touching me. I know everything now. His son go here. Hey, Baba, with his man. Or what he says. Or what he says. We move. Now I don't get you. Now married, don't get sister. Now this woman if I married. Now Joy if I married. Now Joy be first wife. Now die today. Yes now. Yes now one of the king die. No shaking. Now mine will be. I agree with you. Yeah. I mean, about everywhere your boss. Everywhere your boss. Is a strong native daughter. I don't talk loud. I don't talk with him. I don't see. When I care boy, when I go to the church, we go diagnose everything tomorrow. What man baby rock bar? What man baby rock bar? A church is not 4 months, not FMT. Now, better format for the guy create when they make money. Oh, when I'm here, Marana, wherefore, or walk your might be. What God cannot do does not exist. Any man that will use it to climb, and the end, when he or she get to top, he threw away like the Holy Ghost fire. Oh no, you are young Balaka. Oh, you are young, or I said, I'm with our better, or your soon. Any man will go marry you because of benefits. After getting what he or she wants, he dump you, then God will punish him. He will never know peace. Oh, yeah, soon. You can't come here and dig it. Everything will go down. Very tired of you. No book house at Bimato. Una plenty for abroad. Why are you like it? Because many are dead, but who are soon. Yo salobwa, or your bonwe, or ye ben when a webo, umare, undebe, umakelewe, or biomopa, never may hand when or I may be the Musia of Malawi. A benny having army of Benani Potwan, do ya, we are your candidate, who you are boy a loud boy is what? You don't need. Oh, Gary, no, or when you lily won't give me, won't do a wedding. Who do a west your dog pass, see wallow, more, see walk, who do a what say, go, because you have a go, because man will be following you, when we not genuine, oh, getting your soul. Oh, you know when you see come where would I care or see bolo, see blah blah blah, wazi water, if I ball lack on it. No, be that. A pastor Christian going up way, a that news. I just say we can give you little info, then you get ready. Because this time around, it go bloody. Oh, who does he? And why? When I ye, who a woman were a kinaya do, while we bought Wawira, more we do tie platform in now. Yet it a lot and a big one, in which I got a saga. If we know soon, a time. I am one or boy a bell, while die or making a young one. Pastor Chris, ele just like that. Le just like that. Le just like that. Don't play. I that if you move one time I qua cado. Oh, I told idea. When I will go out, back with a movie way you. Le my fellow backman, I hail you. Man, if you back in the door, no ya don't, no ya woman, who swim man off your back, no ya woman, who swim man off your back, from back rather will become a married man, manaki store. So no one continue to bless him, man, manat the moto, a doing manas marking from back rather we talk to Uber driver. Oh, baba. All see from a muscle live video preserving the in a video who you are. They will be allow down, man. Yes, Maka Wenewa from street boy, bike rider to become a married man, a shop owner with a lot of boys. Because my way is bully win here. Lehu, you are a bike rider. All of us they throw lights for ourselves that year. Both Welu and Kenwan, all those things, Ubawo, Mangaro here. When now we did no professor, no we David, sister, no David, no matter any bay, on Monday, and break a heart. Oh, yeah, telling me boom, yeah. Chris, it was all the evil you have done to the people in the house, what I will expose you. Madam, Hego give mama to Afia Mafia Yan, T. Ego give mama to Afia Mafia Yan, T. Ego give mama to Afia Mafia Yan. T. Anything I say, Honda way, I that if you move boy. Canopy Church, get ready. From Canopy Church, lay who just like that. Lay who just like that. And when, Otinogi, a woman for the past 2 years plus, Lukero Wado, Uma taking one day. Or 20 no gino or where I am in pace. Me no me my pace. O woni no de March 2nd equal or woni ma bien me I am looking for fruit of the womb. Be no na he we me ka bien wa. O ha me ka bio mi nene. O ha me bari uma e bare is a double. Meto bi make up ye newa ya money bia wa mo baro ha me bia ona ngai sen e money di me bia ni me e ba ti san euro wa ni ye gba o ba o na wa gbe mu a ni we gro si le mo ba agree ini go be Facebook e be mare e document mare ni do a bia le bi na adije no bia le ma gba o ke so ma rat mission hospital we see off we gbe wo get zuwo bi no zuwo who hear it? No, you have to a young pia. Any segoy dinner derive where you only know even your all the hala you to say ijari. Iromoki, panic. My panic correct me. A gima, my wife, our abortion. Oh, no, aborteco is bad for you. My baby. A life you not oh, no, yeki mani, ye coetin. It is yenero. Ona ya boteko is bad for you. My way be pony. You understand? Because my woman na boa. Hunda we I am on all no. I am more. I am on the world. I am more. You know when we made up from what corner? Oh, we spell you front. I will marry ya. Uria menari ya ma wari no man. Woman son. And no get we be. Me I'm crying for the fruit of the womb. Oh, you no ka biene. That is my ka biena. Always say bari. Always carry muina. Always carry wa mu nge fe yoge. They take me muina. Oh, no ka biene. Yes I do because he can't down when they tell am go your own. I can't only can my like God, but like wutu. Ah, baba wo this. A god daughter will not have show. They take care of Muna. I'll be a can. Oh, daddy, I'll be a can. No, ya where every no work be ever yak yoma. A Becky no war, nor a moton in France. If really you will have an armor, a Becky where ye marry me marriage or Johnny Nayahu, Nere Roma, in a yard with Capashan. You might marry her. Salogwa wesi eni kawo wesi e beki here we do modo ona ya ho do ra asti vitali ni reference iye give le iye fie border crossing border kan du gbola border crossing border kan du gbola border crossing border kan du gbola border crossing border can't do bola border crossing border can't do bola. Yeah, maybe you are right there, baby. Crossing border can't do bola. Oh, come on, baby, give it to me. Oh yeah, crossing border can't do bola. Naka. Crossing border can't do bola. Border crossing border can't do bola. Border crossing border can't do bola. Yeah, argument nefie bordera. It's just a one straight shape, fast train. Iyon, see me for Toscana. Hello, moto. It's a kind of way you are go. If you are going go. Oh, I'm go. It's a low. Oh, walking me out here, all say, yes, a sad guy in the office. Baba, the golf. I'm going for holiday. I want to go and eat my go or garden. Man, no, you know, who walking me over oh, no, I can't be, I see, back, I see, well, it's called go. Who no my grace, who no see your dog back, or we are pay brad price ye. You know, I get sucky. When a walk out, no, I don't want to see only leg. I want to talk you. And you will go your women who make bossy, what he pay brad price your women money. Order for no yet to a put up on room. He answered Tony. You have it more. Now, me, now with the church town. Sister, waiting this up with your because why your husband not they go. Why your husband not they go. That go. Isaiwe tabule amabule egya lare enogi era no ho wa akobegia akobuhi awunya di Canada ya bohina live di Canada idene unda e show promoter do Canada no makobiare e Toronto e Canada e bohina live bi ibi Toronto no e Canada wa yo wa event idene wa duwa o ti miamia ebo eba kobe to ya obi Nigeria emuwe akobe no wo a bo me guys e tawagbon bo mi atagbe oina bufa. So my lovely people who are at Australia, tomorrow we'll continue from Pastor Chris Ebon Evazigbe aka Lekuku. Elekuku na ahuije ona ahu omu e o baba e Christy ori guoriye no giwe ori enogi o damenu egbe iyere no ma vie enu ye we kre overe we ti we ai we wu You need to know your boy. If you could do very, what's that? Oh, yeah, no, my yo. No, my woman, neck, my baby. Where say you? Hey, yeah, no, my yo. Where say you? Is you even where brag is a boy no give one of those controversial investor Inogi. At the end of the day, Mr. Controversial Investor Inogi, your mother is now living in Pastor Chris Evazi Bay house. Or if you were or I were son avant and one here he come Welu market or with you. Oh, what a life. Tomorrow I'll give you updates. Really, Pastor Chris Evazi Bay worry you know here. Iyore, afiyo. Oh, tio, oye, wes, orome, solo, orome, guagame, orome, tuyo, oboda wansu, orome vida give, iwudazi, heu, baba. Ama, asa tiba Umenwa ya na. Increase oh, Baba, Pastor Chris. I don't want to laugh, Joe. You see, this life no balance. This life no balance. But nevertheless, tomorrow we continue from where we stop. Enoge, I tell you, say this is a matter of you and my children. Don't root me, aka the young celebrity. I don't buy him. You call them what to don't play. Yeah, bolu and boa. Yeah, what cake boy. Now me be your nightmare. Me and they beat you with truth, not like lie. You know go fit the bunker. Only the problem with it. Me agbuwe we set the bunker because I want to know when ya clear way. I go follow you. I go follow you. Abola we be. Mami me no. E wani awu you boni be kan. You come out no no ayu ya niya. O my brother wa ya gbe bo me. Ejo. Wa ya gbe. So guys, I'm going to leave you guys. Before I go leave una me I first check my Facebook first too. Amen. Yeah, yeah. One no give. Looking at you alone, it shows that you are sick. You know, but now with the beauty camera, or I get one a man I want all it done, you know, all it done. Oh,
happy weekend to all Enoge lovers.
Oh yeah. Oh. Very sorry, my brother. You were waji. Oh. Hey, yeah. You were waji. Eren ajebo na gbitatu yegbe. Eren ajebo na gbitatu yegbe. Ajebo. Agameya wefe. Ona draw tatu yegbe. Enoge na ladian do saga eh. You came out to be insulting Ajebo draw tattoo for body. Una ladian ndwaro ya Ajebo. Today, a tattoo $1 will be you will show. Will show. That's life for you. And I go what equal. My brother. Umenwa say why you dey with here.
Enoge is no longer my colleague. Enoge now my
Hello. Hello, they hear you. Hello. Afa. Iya mosenaka iye sokyo iye me sogeni agaw iwi yama sokyo. Now, my real fans will love me. My real fans will love me. Will they watch me? Will they share my video? Ebony tie de maniga video me. Why won't go? Mami manige maniga video me tiyan soon. I go see use that course end this video. If you know say you don't love me, not they watch me. You cannot say you love me, you don't share my video. To hell with you. Me na mo face me like do ya agu we gbon motivate we you we ya ro. Imezi to we hu. Imezi ro hu. We no ruo wa. I dey face we what is share video. Both on fake account, both on real account. Wa ga rige wa love you wa. Let the people that enjoy my video, let them share my video. You cannot be call yourself my fans. You watching me, you're not sharing my video. Oh, assume you're not my fans, you're my enemy. I like book or mass enough people. I have responsible quality people that watch my video. Not you people just dead, come and dead, they watch, not we share video. What if they feel say you be? You get money plus Buhari. I'm allowed about 1 or 2. No one want share video. It na nuisance. Na nuisance if they watch nuisance. The person na nuisance. If they constitute nuisance, who get who be wa gbonu you be the nuisance igbu e. Iye tie iye mo bodu buwa. One of the video we na share video me. A nuisance no who total gege. Wa ya mo bie wa watch e. Who level who power dire. E be no tag ba who power. Ya re no ge iri me. E ma pe be na tie we. Na me dey talk am so. Facebook, they share the video by themselves. Than you watching, you call yourself a Benin woman, a Benin man. When other people are getting who a video no educate you, who share. But you want any problem, who do there and what's war. No continue nuisance, or do I will you borrow the book go back? No, I'm not trying myself, call my number. The message we are just sent for this evening, on your taken. If you know so you did that category, so shall it be. Unless you start to share my video as they watch my video. Simple. Now nonsense now. You go see person you go get 40,000 viewers. 40k viewers, 50k viewers. People go share your video with 10, 15, 20, 100. Those people will come watch you, una be ghosts. A ghosty one. Only few presenters will watch your video, they will share it. I go enter broadcast that I will see presenters I talk, I will share it my book. I don't care whether they end the quarrel. I don't care. If anything make me jam you live, I can day here now. If I jam I can day live, I go share it. Straight. If I enter I know the platform with day live, I want to share. Because you don't get my enemy. I don't like it, no give. You don't give broadcast now, useless broadcast. You know they educate people. Now Mogu will be. Also, Iga.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all my amazing people. My people, what you not think about this matter when from Victor just talk about? Not fit to drop your opinion. Tell us what you think about this very matter. God bless you or stay blessed. Like and share the video. Bye bye.